We are at the former United building, now the Blu-tique Hotel. Look at that. That's cool. I guess these dials don't work. And they got modded by Dover. Custom impulse. That's cool. Wait, did those old call buttons actually work to call this? I'm curious now. Oh, they removed it on this floor. Let's test that when we get back down. Actually, I'm going to very quickly show this old floor. That's beautiful. Really neat. All right, down to lobby. We're racing the other one. Now let's see here. No, it doesn't work to call these. You have to hit this one. Oh, just kidding. It went away. Anyway, that's all.